Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Claude for video editing. So let's get started. So first thing that you need to know is that Claude AI can't edit videos directly, but it can help you plan, script, and guide your edits like a pro editor. So start by asking Claude for a video editing plan. Create a video editing plan for a YouTube tutorial, including cuts, transitions, and B-roll ideas. Claude will give you a full structure of how your videos should look like. Next, ask Claude to write your script. Write a 3-minute YouTube script with hook, intro, and outro. Use the script to record your voiceover. Now ask Claude, where should I add transitions, suggest B-roll for the script, add captions and sound effect ideas. This helps you edit like a professional. Then you're going to take Claude's plan and use tools like CapCut, Premiere Pro, Canva, and follow the instructions and edit your videos step by step. You can also ask Claude for video titles, thumbnail ideas, short clips for TikTok. This helps you grow faster. And that was basically how you can use Claude AI for video editing. It won't replace your editor, but it will make your workflow faster and smarter. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.